So you were explaining before that it just gives way.
Yeah.
Yep. And you don't get any warning?
No.
Okay. And you can be dancing really well and then all of a sudden just gone.
Yeah.
You said the physios and the medical people and everybody have all said they can't find anything wrong.
They said there's nothing wrong.
They said there's nothing wrong. Can I see what it looks like? For you to try and put weight on it? So just try and take a step forward. You just can't, can you? Just the thought of putting weight on that. Yeah, alright, sweet. Lay down. I mean, sit down. Alright. And where would you say that most of the pain is? On both sides like that?
Yep.
Okay. You was basically too scared to even try that, weren't you? Yeah. You've definitely got some swelling in there that you don't have on the other side. Before I do anything, just let me have a look back here. This sounds like it could be a nerve supply problem from the lower back. It's definitely possible that there's something wrong with the actual joint too, but just the description of it, it sounds like it could be a nerve supply problem. But so yeah, this isn't right here at all. I think it's a combination of trouble. She's got something wrong with her knee, but I think it probably started up here.
Okay.
And that's why, you know, sometimes if she warms up and this joint's moving properly and there's no pressure on the nerve, she can be reasonably normal, and then all of a sudden she'll just move into the wrong position, pinch the nerve, and boom, it just grabs. Is that how it feels?
Yeah, and I've always been tight on my lower back.
You have you? Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, that's even more so. And I reckon the problem is in there. Can you feel that?
Yeah.
She's grimacing.
Yeah. that's definitely trouble in there.
We didn't get your back against that board, okay?
Yeah, I'm with it.
Do you got it?
Yep.
Great.
You okay?
So just take her out. Just wait for these pictures to go press it.
So I've just had a good look at your pictures, and it confirms what we found before when we checked you out. You've definitely got problems in your lower back. The first person we've ever had who's actually had awesome makeup for our video. So that's a big part of your trouble right there.
Yeah.
Even if I just adjusted this and I didn't do anything to your leg at all, you'd be able to stand up and walk better. Sounds a bit too good to be true, doesn't it? Well, I'm gonna actually prove that to you. Is that pinching in your leg, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, Sienna, that's where the nerve pressure's coming from in there.
Yes.
Can you feel that?
Yeah.
You've got to do, especially because you're a dancer and you're so flexible. You've got to try and keep you as straight as possible. That's pretty good. Now I'm going to roll your whole body over like that. You okay?
Yeah.
You look so nervous. Are you alright, mate?
Yep.
You're going to hear a click, but don't worry, because I can't hurt you. Just let your body relax a little bit. Just got to get that in the right line of correction there. At least you're smiling.
Yep.
That was good. Alright, you just sit up. Now you don't believe me, do you, that you're going to be able to walk after that? You're going to be able to walk better. Show me. Your hands. And when you're ready, just take some weight on it and bring your other leg through. You can get more weight through there, can't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, now I'm going to let you go. Do you reckon you could go down to the chairs and back?
Okay.
That's what I want you to do. I want you to get as much movement in there as you can. Good girl, Sienna. Keep going.
Just bring that right.
Can't believe it, can you?
No.
Yeah. Alright, do another lap.
Is it? Feels looser.
You can chase him now.
Yeah.
She's looking good. She's looking really good. Sienna, are you getting any pinching or grabbing at all, or does it just feel pretty normal?
Feels pretty normal.
it'll actually work better and better. It's only a few minutes since that adjustment. So as like over the next few days, it'll actually get even better than that. Yeah. Keep walking. You'll forgive me one day. I want you to walk up the other end where you came from.
Yeah.
And I want you to just kind of gallop back.
Okay.
You know? Look at that. See how she can take her weight through her knee? Awesome. Well, we don't have to worry about her knee right now.
Really?
That knee's pretty good, isn't it?
Yep.
Yeah. And about 20 minutes ago, did you think you'd be doing that? No. No, that's great.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you
Nice
so
to meet you.
much.
Pleasure.
Yeah.
No worries.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.